joined up with the name of Allah much more. So in this video we are going to learn object properties. So let's start our video. So what are the object properties? Learn first that. So object properties are properties in object of data types. So in object there are many properties. For an example, the types of it and many more. So let's start our video by creating a new doc type of 4.html and writing here the doc type and writing here object properties and writing here the script tag and learning them. So what are they and why they are useful? So if I tell you about object, first of all create an object. Let an like Subhan ID equal to curly. If I write here, let's try. I don't need this. I will write here. Name, my name is what? Subhan. And I want to see that let age equal to 12. So can we store the age here? Age. We have to do one more thing. That will be ag. No, that will be age. I will write a comma. Age equal to dollar age. No, we cannot. So for that we can write here 12 and that was useless. So I was trying that, and after adding name I will write first name and last name will be Farooq, and after age they will be what? Like age, and they will be channel name. Channel name is CodewithSR. CodewithSR. Main name of channel SR. Related coding channels 1. And now if I save it and add a console.log Subhan ID and run it in my Google, that is going to be this one. And if I go to the inspect, I will come here in the console. Wait, what are they saying? There we go. That's my object with the age, channel name, channel, first name, last name, main channel, main name of channel, related. So wait, I will come here, and if I write here dot, let's see, you can see there are so much related, main name, last name, first name, channels name, channel name, age. So what are these? These are the memory, the storage in my Subhan ID. So if I do age, so there will be only age. If I write here first name Subhan ID dot last name, save it. Let's see, let have like this Subhan Farooq, there we go. Subhan Farooq, there we go. If I change like this first name to like channel name, they will be, wait, we have to refresh to channel name and main name of channel, and we can say channels. There we go. So now we will know there are many, there are two ways to create the object. Like now have one more portfolio, create one more portfolio of my brother, that is going to be Vahaj. And first of all, the first name will be Vahaj, and then last name Farooq. So that's the basic thing. But we have to create in new style, right? First of all, create an basic thing. What? Vahaj. Like this. You can write here Vahaj dot name equal to Vahaj. Like this. And if I do what? Vahaj, there will be a name like this. If I do what? Add dot name like this, so there will be name. So that was the properties of it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get my new video and new content. So subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching, and Allah Hafiz.